Hi, my name is Noe, and today I'm going to be making slime from the Original Stationery Galaxy Slime Kit. This kit from Original Stationery has everything you need to make an amazing galaxy slime. It's a 25-piece set with ingredients and add-ins to create a sparkly galaxy slime. You can make pink, purple, and blue glitter slimes. The Galaxy Slime Kit also features glow-in-the-dark stars and slime glow-in-the-dark powder, so your slime can literally glow. Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be making the Glitter Galaxy Slime. These are 3 slimes combined into one to make a beautiful galaxy slime. So I have all my 3 bowls out here, and I'm going to need 90 millimeters of glue, but split between the 3 bowls. So I have 60 here and 30 in the other, and I'm gonna split it in 30 for this one, into 30 for this one. Let's check. It's good. Next one. I'm gonna use my little stir to make sure I get all the glue out. Oh no, I got some glue on me. Okay, making sure every little bit is out so that I can use the most of my product. And then my other 30 into the bowl. It's going into the bowl. Okay. So once I get all of my stuff, I'm gonna go on to the next step. And I'm gonna put all of my little stirs in each of their bowls. And it's so cute because they match perfectly. And I'm going to need 10 drops of purple, blue, and pink into each of their bowls. So I'm gonna grab, so I got my purple here. I'm gonna take out the little ring that's right here. And I'm gonna add 10 drops of purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 drops of purple. And then I'm gonna have 10 drops of pink. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All done, and then one more. The blue. And again, I'm gonna take the little ring off of it so it doesn't fall into my slime. And I'm gonna do 10 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All done. And now I'm gonna stir each of them to make sure that the color is all there. And they said you can add more in case you want it darker, or you can add less if you want it a lighter. All depends on however you want it. I actually really like the color how it is right now. I may add like 1 or 2 more drops, but I like it. The purple is actually like my favorite color right now. I don't know yet because I gotta mix in the blue too. The blue is really pretty, but I think the purple is my favorite. I'm gonna add a little more of each color because I do want it darker, so I'm gonna add like 3. 1, 2, 3 of my coloring ink. 3 more drops. This is the perfect color. They're so great, and so this one's like neon, and then the others were like darker, but together they make great slimes in great colors. There we go. And now I'm gonna mix them all over again. Make sure everything's mixed. Ooh yeah, it's really good. Now it's really dark. And make sure everything is mixed and equally even on the sides of the bowls. Okay, I need to choose some glitters for my kit and add a big pinch of glitter to my colored glue mixtures. Okay, so I think I'm gonna add silver to all of them, but I'm gonna add their color first. So I'm gonna grab the blue one and I'm gonna add nice. Ooh, that was a lot. But the more glitter, the better. Then I'm gonna add the purple one. Ooh, purple. Ooh, nice. And then I'm gonna add the pink. And then I'm gonna add silver to all of them. There we go. Okay, and now I'm gonna add silver to all of them. So a little bit of silver, a little bit of silver. And now I'm gonna mix the glitter. Oh my goodness, it looks so cool. Let's get a close-up of it. That was a perfect amount of glitter. Make sure all of it's mixed in. And then the blue. Got it. Then I got now that I have all my colors mixed in or my glitters mixed in, I'm going to make one slime at a time, and I'm going to add 1 level spoonful of my activator water. And then I'm going to mix it for 30 seconds. So I'm going to get my little mixture, pour it in. Okay, and pour that in. And now we're going to mix it for 30 seconds. Ooh, it's already coming together. And then I have to knead it for a little bit to make sure it's all coming together too, and so that's not sticky. But it is coming together pretty well. So cool. So cool already. Okay, now that I have mixed all of it, I'm going to take it in my hand and I am going to hand knead it, making sure I get everywhere so that it's not sticky anymore. So I gotta mix it just for a little bit, but look how cool it looks with the glitter. Let's read the next stuff. Yes, so that you want to knead it and push it through your fingers and thumbs. So I'm going to push it to get all the air bubbles out. It's getting less sticky. That's good. It's working. Yeah, the purple's like my favorite so far. I don't know why, but the color's like so cool. Okay, almost done with the slime. It's coming together. The warmth of my hand is like making it softer and stretchier, which is really cool. That's what's actually supposed to happen, so if that's happening, good. So stretchy. Okay, now that I am done with this slime, I'm gonna put it to the side because we're not finished yet. I gotta add my other activator into my next slimes. Oh no, I spilled a little bit. I'm gonna mix this one in. Oh my goodness, I hit my elbow. This one's really cool too. It's coming together. I actually love how the spoons and the bowls are so color coordinated. Like, the shade is not wrong. They're both the same color. And it is so cute. And I also love how it comes with like the little bowls, just because it's so convenient and you don't need to get anything from your kitchen or anything like that. It comes with everything you need. Okay, I'm gonna knead it now. It's cold. Make sure everything is mixed in and get it stretchy. I need to add some more glue. I think I didn't add that much glue to it, but it'll be okay. It's a little tough, but I got some other stretchy ones with it, so it won't be too bad. I'm gonna put this to the side now that I'm done with it. And I'm gonna add my next wax. Fill it to the top, and I'm gonna pour it in. This is my last slime with this one. I'm gonna mix it all well. The blue is really pretty too. They're all so pretty. I love how they're dark. I'm glad I went with the dark theme. Okay, almost done mixing, and then I'm gonna knead it with my hands. And then I can make my little swirl of all the colors that I have. I think I really want to put this in the dome, like the circle dome, because it's really cool. It'd be like a galaxy star. Oh, the star one would work really well too. I think I might put it in the star. I'm gonna move this inside. This one's really stretchy too. Make sure it's kneaded. Knead it, make sure it's getting warm. It's really cold. Okay, almost done. I feel it warming up. Oh no, it fell. Gotta pick it up all from my hands. And it is getting warmer, so that's good. Almost done. Okay, I think we're all done. Okay, I'm gonna squish these out and then roll them. And make 3 little rolls. So I got my pink and my blue ready to go. There we go. Now I gotta add my purple. Okay, now I'm gonna add my purple. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna flatten them out and roll. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. So cool, but I do want to add it to my star, so I'm gonna break it off a little and add this into my star. Try to get it fitted into the mold. There we go, and I'm gonna take the excess off. It looks so cool. It looks like a little galactic star. Oh my gosh, I just want to hang it up. It looks so cute. I don't even want to play with it because it's so pretty. Look at the star, and then look at like the little sparkles. They're so cute. So I had the little bit of slime that was left over from the star. I'm just playing with it. It is so glittery, and it made this like purple, bluish color. I don't know, but it is just so pretty. The star one is my favorite. I don't know, it's just so pretty. Look at all the different colors that are in it. I like it. So I'm gonna keep it in the star mold, and I'm gonna store this somewhere else. And we're gonna move on to my next slime. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It turned out so cute. make sure you go watch more videos like this because these slimes are so fun to make. So I hope you guys get to watch along so that you can enjoy the fun too. Don't forget to get your Galaxy kit from Original Stationery. Bye!